The Areas section of VIA is one of the most important sections of your software. The information you enter here has a number of different functions which we will run through in this video. To access the Areas section of VIA, simply go to the Website tab, then select the Areas tab. Once clicked, you will see a list of areas you have added to the software. You will also see an Add Area button where you can add additional areas if you wish. The first function of the Areas section is to aid in the search functionality of your website. You can add any area name you wish, then select the specific postcodes of properties that you would like to appear when this search is initiated. For example, if you add an area in called London Bridge and add the postcode SE1 to this area, then anyone who initiates a property search on your website using the term London Bridge will then be shown properties that contain the postcode SE1. This allows you to specifically control the properties which will be returned for certain searches. To add a postcode to an area, simply select the area you wish to edit from the list. Either double click on the area or right click and select Edit. Alternatively, if you wish to add a new area, simply click on the Add Area button in the top left hand corner of the screen. Once in the correct area, you can then add your postcode to the Postcodes section. You can either add general postcode areas such as SE2 or KT12, or you can specify the postcode to the last number such as SW15 space 2 or DE4 space 1. You cannot enter the whole postcode, you can only enter partial postcodes. However, you can add as many postcodes to an area as you wish. Once you have finished writing your postcode, you need to add the asterisk symbol to signal that you have completed entering the postcode. You should also separate each postcode with a comma. As well as aiding the search functionality of your website, the Areas section has several other functions. Any area you add will appear in the Find Properties in Your Local Area section of your website. This section appears on every page of your website just above the footer. It aids in SEO by identifying the key areas you operate in. When you click the Property for Sale or Property for Rent links that appear underneath each area, it will show a list of properties with matching postcodes to those you have specified, as explained earlier in this video. So in this example, when we click the Properties for Sale link underneath the London Bridge area, we will only see properties with an SE1 postcode as defined in the VIA software. Lastly, the Areas section is where you control the content of any area guide pages which you may have on your website. The content which you enter in areas will output in a preset layout on your website. You can add a description, features, transport information, and schools information. You can also add media. If you add multiple images, they will simply display in a slideshow behind the word content. You can also add a window title, meta description, and meta keywords to your area to aid in SEO. When you click the Property for Sale or Property for Rent buttons, which display at the bottom of the page, it will show a list of properties with matching postcodes to those you have specified as explained earlier in this video. Anytime you add a new area, an Area Guide's website page will automatically be built for you. You will be able to view the page by going to your website address, followed by /area-guide/ the name of the area you added. So for this example, it will be /Putney. However, any new website pages that you build will not automatically be added to your website menu or footer. You will need to manually edit your menu or footer to link to your new area guide page. You can discover how to do this in the relevant video guides for creating your menu and footer. So to summarize, the Areas section of VIA allows you to customize your search, create area guide pages, and specifies which area appears in the Find Properties in Your Local Area section of your website.